Creating a new user account in MyDigiBrain. In this video, we'll step through the process of getting started with MyDigiBrain and creating a new user account. First, we'll navigate to the browser-based MyDigiBrain application. Next, we'll step through the process of creating a new user account. Then we'll show the mandatory user account verification process. Finally, we'll log into MyDigiBrain for the new user account. MyDigiBrain will operate on any device with a standard browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Apple Safari, and Firefox, among others. We'll first demonstrate the process of creating a new user account on a large screen computer using the Google Chrome browser. Then we'll perform the same demonstration on an Apple iPhone using the Apple Safari browser. Feel free to use your preferred device and browser. Let's begin by using a Google Chrome browser running on a large screen computer. Our starting point will be the bare-bones Google website. Now we'll navigate the browser to the MyDigiBrain website, which is where the MyDigiBrain application is located, by entering mydigibrain.com in the browser address bar and pressing the Enter key on your keyboard. This will take you to the MyDigiBrain site and present the About page, providing information about MyDigiBrain. Near the top is a button labeled Create New Account. Click that button and you will be taken to the Create New Account form, where you will be able to enter the information for creating a new account. Enter the required information on the form, starting with your email address. Next, enter your mobile phone number. Then, enter a desired password and confirm the password you entered. Note that a password must be at least 8 characters in length and contain both letters, A through Z, and numbers, and the password must contain at least one uppercase and one lowercase letter. Optionally, the password may contain certain special characters, including exclamation point, @sign, pound sign, dollar sign, percent sign, ampersand, and asterisk. Next, enter your first and last names. A membership type needs to be selected. When MyDigiBrain is in beta testing, only invited beta testers will be allowed to create a new user account, and testers will have been issued a registration code associated with their email address. The registration code will be filled in automatically if you have supplied your email address that was used to invite you to become a beta tester. Lastly, you will need to select the checkbox to indicate that you agree to the MyDigiBrain terms and conditions. When you have supplied all required information, the button labeled Create New Account will be enabled. To proceed with creating your account, press the Create New Account button. An activity indicator will show that your account is being created. Then you will just briefly see that the default channel for your MyDigiBrain account has been created. However, a new MyDigiBrain account must be verified through an email message that will be sent to the email address specified when creating your account. So you will be immediately logged out of your new account and presented with the MyDigiBrain About page. At the top of the page, you will see an alert message indicating that you are required to verify your account and to look for an email message in your email inbox. It may take a couple of minutes for the email message to be delivered to your inbox. If you don't find it in your inbox, you should look in the equivalent of your email system's junk mailbox. Once you have received the email message, click on the account verification link in the message. You will be taken to a new browser instance that will launch the MyDigiBrain account verification process. Upon successful completion of the account verification process, you will be presented with a message indicating that you will now be allowed to sign into your new MyDigiBrain account. You may choose to sign in via the new browser instance or via the browser instance that you used to create your new account. Click the Sign In button. On the Sign In page, enter the email address and password credentials that you used when creating your new account. With certain browsers, the credentials may be filled in automatically. Then, press the Sign In button. MyDigiBrain will take you to your home screen where you will see your default channel, that is, your private channel. Now, let's look at the same Create New Account process on an Apple iPhone. All of the steps are identical to what you have just seen on a large screen computer. However, you will see that the views are adjusted and responsive to the size of the iPhone screen. The Create New Account form is to be filled in. Followed by clicking on the Create New Account button. You will see that the account has been created, followed by a notification that the account must be verified. In the account verification email, just as before, click on the link in the message to verify the user account. The new user account will be verified. Then you will be able to sign into your new account. The sign-in process is the same, entering the email address and password credentials. You have now seen how to create a new user account on a large screen computer and on an iPhone smartphone, and additionally sign into that account. If you would like to view more educational videos to assist you in understanding and using MyDigiBrain, click on the View Educational Videos button that you'll find at the top right of every page in MyDigiBrain.